These 5 facts are so weird, they sound fake, but they're all real. Number 5 made me question humanity. 1. A crocodile can't stick its tongue out, it's got the bite but no sass. 2. Cows have accents. Yes, mood depends on location. British cows might actually sound polite. 3. The first alarm clock could only ring at 4 AM because apparently sleep was illegal. 4. Penguins propose with pebbles. If it's smooth and shiny, boom, they're engaged. 5. There's a mushroom that glows in the dark. Nature made its own nightlight. If you laughed, learned, or made a weird face, you owe this video a like. Subscribe for more fun facts to flex on your friends.